Hello, and welcome to Robert's Tech Corner, your source for all things technical. In this video, I will explain how to create distilled water. If you bring water to a boil, you are only killing off some of the bacteria in the water. The other minerals are still left behind in the water. The process of creating distilled water will remove the following minerals: lead, magnesium, iron, mercury, arsenic, nitrate, fluoride, calcium, and bacteria. Because there is no minerals present in distilled water, this is why some people think it is healthier to drink distilled water. While other people think because minerals like calcium and iron are not present in distilled water, this makes drinking distilled water unhealthy. But even if you have a somewhat adequate diet, you will still receive the minerals that you require. To keep this from turning into a political podcast, I will not go into what each mineral in the water is and why each mineral is in the water. For the process of creating distilled water, you will need the following items: a cooking burner, a large empty pot with the pot lid, a small empty glass bowl, and a lot of ice. First, fill the pot a little less than halfway with tap water. Then place the small empty glass bowl into the pot so it floats around. Next, turn the pot lid upside down and place the pot lid back onto the pot. Then place as many ice cubes as you can into the pot lid. Then turn the cooking burner on. I will explain how the process that just took place works so you understand how the water in the bowl can be purified water. When a liquid is distilled, it has undergone a process of heating and condensing. As the water boils, it will turn to steam, but because the minerals in the water cannot be boiled out, they will be left behind in the water, therefore the steam will be pure. The reason you have to place as many ice cubes as you can into the pot lid is because you have to make the pot lid very cold and keep the pot lid very cold. As the steam rises, it will collect on the pot lid, but because the pot lid is very cold, it will condense and freeze the steam back into water. The water will fall back down into the bowl, and because the water in the bowl was made from pure steam, the water in the bowl will be purified. If you have any questions about this video or how anything else works, please feel free to contact me.